If you use Outlook Calendar for work, school, or personal planning, connecting it to Dola AI can make managing your schedule much easier. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect Outlook Calendar to Dola AI, grant the required permissions, and verify that your events sync correctly. So let's get started. Start by opening the Dola AI website or mobile app and signing in to your account. If you haven't created an account yet, complete the registration process first before continuing. After signing in, open the Settings or Integrations section. Depending on the version you're using, this area may also be called Connected Apps or Calendar Settings. Look for the option to add or connect a calendar. From the list of available calendar services, choose Outlook Calendar or Microsoft Calendar. Dola AI will redirect you to Microsoft's secure sign-in page so you can authorize the connection. Sign in using the Microsoft account that contains your Outlook calendar. After signing in, review the permission request carefully, then approve it if you're comfortable with the requested access. These permissions allow Dola AI to sync with your calendar. Once authorization is complete, you'll return to Dola AI automatically. Look for a confirmation message or a connected account status to verify that Outlook Calendar has been linked successfully. Now create a simple reminder or calendar event inside Dola AI. Then open Outlook Calendar and confirm that the new event appears. If the event syncs successfully, your integration is working as expected. If you use multiple Outlook calendars, review your synchronization settings and choose which calendar Dola AI should use by default. You can also disconnect and reconnect your Microsoft account later if you need to refresh permissions or resolve syncing issues. And that's how to connect Outlook Calendar to Dola AI. With your calendar linked, you'll be able to organize meetings, reminders, and daily tasks much more efficiently. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more helpful guides, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.